Hi and welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about factors affecting rate of corrosion from Unit 6 Corrosion Science. The learning outcome from this session will be students should be able to recognize the factor affecting on the rate of corrosion, and students should be able to give the solution to avoid the corrosion of metal. Now, basically, the factors influencing on the rate of corrosion are categorized into two types. First is the nature of metal and second is the nature of environment. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about the factors involved in nature of environment. The first factor which governs the rate of corrosion, which is based on the nature of environment, is temperature. It has been observed that the rise in temperature enhances the rate of corrosion. So here, higher the temperature of corroding medium, higher will be the rate of corrosion, as well as the metal surface gets activated due to high temperature. High temperature makes the electrolyte more active in nature, and according to the Nernst equation for electrode potential, at higher temperature potential of the metal is higher, hence rate of corrosion will be high. The second factor is the moisture. Higher the moisture, higher will be the rate of corrosion. Moisture is one of the important factor in deciding the rate of corrosion. Critical humidity is the relative humidity above which dry corrosion increases sharply. Oxygen and other gases corrode the metal at higher rate in presence of moisture, and in absence of moisture the rate of corrosion will be less. High relative humidity in the form of fog, mist causes electrochemical corrosion of anodic metal. Moisture in the soil and presence of water leads to electrochemical corrosion, and this corrosion occurs rapidly than dry corrosion. The next factor which affects the rate of corrosion is pH. Now, for certain metal, the rate of corrosion will be high or low at different pH. Acidic environment is more corrosive than the alkaline in case of amphoteric metals like aluminium, zinc, lead, and they are more prone to the corrosion in alkaline media. Some metals like steel has minimum rate of corrosion at pH 5, which increases at lower pH in oxygen free water. Similarly, every metal has certain passivity pH. Above and below that, the corrosion of metal will be faster. For example, zinc at pH 11, stannous at pH 8.5, aluminium at pH 5.5 has lowest rate of corrosion. Next factor is the conductivity of the corroding medium. Higher the conductivity of the corroding medium, higher will be the rate of corrosion. Then nature of ions in the medium. Now certain ions which, if they are present in the metal, they enhances the corrosion. The ions like chloride ions, then nitrate ions has ability to break the non-porous oxide film, which enhances the rate of corrosion, while the ions like oxalate, phosphate, silicate ions lower the rate of corrosion, which will form a protective film of these anions on the metal surface. So in summary, we have discussed about nature of environment. In that we have discussed about temperature, moisture, pH, conductivity of corroding medium, and nature of ions in the medium. Thank you for watching this session.